Are high interest rates eating up your budget? Worried face, don't worry. Refinancing your personal loan might just be the financial hack you need. Today, we'll break down exactly how to refinance and save money like a pro. Refinancing a personal loan means replacing your current loan with a new one, ideally with better terms, such as a lower interest rate or smaller monthly payments. It's like hitting the reset button on your loan. Why should you refinance? Well, it helps you save money, lower your monthly payments, and even consolidate debt. Plus, it's a great way to free up extra cash for other goals. Step 1. Check your credit score. A higher score increases your chances of qualifying for better loan terms. Step 2. Research lenders. Compare rates, fees, and repayment terms to find the best offer. Step 3. Calculate the costs. Some loans come with fees that can offset your savings. Do the math to see if refinancing is truly worth it. Finally, apply for refinancing. Submit your application and required documents, and once approved, use the new loan to pay off the old one. But refinancing isn't always the right choice. Avoid it if the fees outweigh the benefits or if you're close to paying off your current loan. Smart refinancing can reduce financial stress, save you money, and help you achieve your goals faster. It's all about making your money work for you. If this video helped you understand refinancing, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might need this advice. See you in the next video.